Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free certification course on Power BI. Friend, Power BI is a Microsoft product and it is used for the data visualization purposes. And friend, most of the data analyst, data scientist and business analyst candidates use this Power BI software. So friend, we are going to check all the details, what types of things you will learn in this course. And friend, it is absolutely free. And we are going to how you will check the various types of modules and how you have to register for this course. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Simply Learn, who is providing this Power BI course. So friend, you can see here the salary of the Power BI developer or the data analyst. You can see here is given, and that is you can see 302K per annum. And the companies you can see like JP Morgan Chase and Amazon. And similarly, you can see for the business intelligence engineer, it is companies like Amazon, VMware, and many more. So let's check about this course first. So friend, you can see here the Power BI course is designed to introduce complete beginners to the world of data analysis and visualization using Microsoft Power BI. And friend, whether you are a student, professional looking to upskill, or someone interested in the world of data analysis, this course is a perfect starting for you. And friend, this course will provide you a solid foundation in Power BI. And friend, also you will get the various types of knowledge, and it will also help you to take the decision making based on the data. And you can see here topics covered. So let's check it. So you can see the topics covered, like the first one you can see introduction to Power BI and its significance in data analysis. So you can see understand what Power BI is and why it is essential in the field of data analysis. So this type of things you will learn in the modules here. And similarly you can see the other modules are given, like you can see data modeling and transformation, in which you will learn how to import data, how to do the data cleaning, and how to do the data transformation. So all these things you will learn in this module. Then you can see creating interactive reports and dashboards. So you will master the art of designing visually appealing and interactive reports and dashboards for data presentation. Then understanding DAX, that is a data analysis expression. So you will dive into the DAX, a powerful formula language, and comprehend its role in creating custom calculation and measures. And friend, you can see data visualization best practices. So you will explore the best practices for effective data visualization, which includes choosing the right chart types and enhancing data interpretation. So friend, for the data visualization, you will have a lot of graphs available. So you have to best choose the graphs which will suit your data. And you can see here real world data analysis project. So you have to apply your new found skills in the real world data analysis projects and getting some practical experience. So friend, what are the benefits of this course? Let's check out. So friend, you can see here you will acquire a fundamental skills in data analysis and visualizations. Then you will learn to create a compelling data reports and dashboards, and you can improve your employability and career prospects as the data analyst. Data visualization careers are very good. And when you will get a strong foundation for the further Microsoft Power BI learning and certifications. So friend, you can see here you will get the this type of certificates. You can see you can use this certificate on your resume, or in your LinkedIn profile, so that your chances for selection become stronger. So you can see here how to build career after completing this course. So friend, you can see here you will take the careers like you can directly go to the data analyst, and in which you will be responsible for extracting insights from the data, making data driven decisions and presenting findings. And similarly business intelligence professional, so you can explore the opportunities in the business intelligence field, which help organization make informed choice using data analysis tools like Power BI. Then data visualization specialists, which focus on data visualization, working on creating stunning and informative visual representation of data for various purposes. also you can do the Microsoft Power BI certification. So these are the things is given. And friend, you can see here in this course, the course rating you can see here given, that is you can see 4.6 is given, and also you can see 136,000 learners has been already enrolled in this course. So as I have told earlier, that you will learn the various skills like Power BI components, Power BI services, Dax function, data modeling, and Power BI dashboards. And here you can see, you can also explore the various lessons like what is the Power BI features, Power BI component, Power BI services, how to create chart and graph, data model, DAX function, data modeling, and Power BI dashboard. So these are the things you can see given. And friend, you can see here on the top right side, given that is a course is a self-paced and it requires total 6 hours. So whenever you will get your free times, whether it is a weekdays or the weekends, you can complete it. And friend, also you will get the completion certificate, which is a very good thing, which is the proof for your course, and you can use this certificate in your resume and LinkedIn. So these are the things is given. So friend, before going to check how you have to register, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, virtual internship opportunities, and interview tips related videos. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. And friend, please explore. We have made the various types of videos on SAP certification, then virtual internship opportunities by the PwC, various courses provided by the AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, and other interview tips. So please explore our channel. So friend, let's check how you need to register for this Power BI certification course. So friend, for that you can see here start learning is given. So friend, first you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Once you open, then you will come to this page, and then you have to click on this start learning, and once you click friend, then you will come to this page. And you can see here various options are given. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or your Apple ID, or you can directly log in with your email address. So we are going to check through the email. So you have to select that one option, and once you click, then you will come to this page. So friend, here you have to provide your first name, you have to enter your last name, you have to enter your email address, then you have to select the country code, then you have to enter your phone number, and you have to create one password. And friend, then you will get the OTP on your phone. You have to verify, and you have to create an account. And once your account is created, then this course will add in your account, from where you can easily access it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any query regarding this free certification courses, please comment down the video. We are going to check your queries and providing the answer for that query. And friend, please subscribe.